Audio Jungle.
Just kidding. What's up, guys? Steve from TrackerDie. So, we figured out a little secret. If you run an 03 and down kickstand on the new 04 and up rubber mount, it actually does work. Don't know why it's not listed that way, but I'm gonna show you how to do it. And if anybody wants one, we're keeping them in stock now because we figured this out. So, well, let me show you. You're gonna pop this clip off. Comes right out. If you push the kickstand up, it's super easy for the pin to drop out, and then all that comes out. There's the old one, and you can see the difference quite a bit. They're exactly the same. Same spacing, same detent up here, same position as the spring, same. So you're gonna put this on your spring first, bring this around. This needs to be up to put the pin through. Put that pin back through. Gotta make sure the brass little bushing goes back into the hole. Sometimes it takes a minute. Sometimes it takes a minute to find the hole. Oh, there it is. Put the top bushing back in. Take your spring clip. You might have to turn this sometimes to get it to be in the right position. And you're gonna put your clip back in. Just like that. Look at that. Longer kickstand. So there you go. That's how you install the longer kickstand. If you need one, hit us up, TrackerDie.com.